If you've ever dreamed of quitting the 9-5 and living life on your terms, you're not alone. The key to achieving this freedom is financial independence. We'll explore 5 essential strategies to help you build the funds you need to say goodbye to the daily grind and start living life on your terms. 1. Set a clear financial goal. The first step toward funding your freedom is defining exactly what you need to quit the 9-5. Calculate your monthly expenses, including housing, food, healthcare, and leisure. Then multiply that by the number of months you want to cover without relying on a traditional paycheck. This number becomes your financial freedom goal, a target to focus your efforts on. Knowing your target will make it easier to measure progress and stay motivated. 2. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one paycheck can be limiting, so start exploring multiple income streams. Passive income sources, such as investments, rental income, or dividends, can provide consistent cash flow. Consider side hustles, freelancing, or small businesses that you can grow alongside your current job. Building multiple income sources gives you the financial security to quit your job confidently, knowing you have more than one stream of income to rely on. 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Funding your freedom also means cutting expenses that don't add value. Review your spending and identify areas where you can reduce costs, like subscriptions, dining out, or impulse buys. Redirecting that money into savings or investments can help you reach your financial independence goal faster. This isn't about living a life of deprivation, it's about aligning your spending with your goal of breaking free from the 9-5 routine. 4. Start an emergency fund. An emergency fund is essential for anyone aiming to quit the 9-5. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, acting as a safety net if things get tough. Start small, contributing a portion of your income each month until you reach your goal. An emergency fund provides peace of mind and stability, so you're not forced to return to a job in case of a financial setback. It's a simple yet powerful way to secure your freedom. 5. Invest wisely for long-term growth. Finally, invest your savings in ways that generate long-term growth. Stocks, index funds, and real estate are popular options that can compound over time, providing a steady income without requiring you to work a 9-5. Make sure to diversify your portfolio and consult with financial advisors to minimize risks. By investing wisely, you're not only growing your money, but also creating a foundation for financial independence that will continue supporting you well into the future. Funding your freedom isn't an overnight journey, but it's entirely possible with clear goals and consistent effort. By setting a financial goal, building multiple income streams, cutting unnecessary expenses, starting an emergency fund, and investing wisely, you'll be on the path to quitting the 9-5 and living life on your terms. Remember, it's not just about money, it's about creating a life you're excited to wake up to every day. Start today, and step by step, you'll fund the freedom you deserve.